default values. Can you see over here? This is important. Default values, diameter. So can you see over here default diameter always what it takes 2438.4. If you want this to be changed, you can give this. Finish thickness, always it will consider 6.35 by default. Corrosion allowance, always it consider 3.175. Let's say if you always want to have 5 mm. Internal pressure in MPa, it will consider as 0.69. If I always want to have it 0.5. Temperature, let's say I want to have always 100 degrees Celsius. External pressure, let's say it is full vacuum 15 psi, which is 0.1034. Temperature, let's say 100. So if I click upon this and save that, always the software will do that way. That is the default options. By default, the software will consider those options. Is it clear? Now here and after, it will consider these default values. The ASME material always consider first as 51670. If you want to have any other material, you can choose it. Similarly, these are all the default options. So let's say if you are going to have always as a 1000 mm. Let me do it for you. Now let's say I'm taking this. Now what is the default diameter it is considering? 1000 mm, right? What we have given. If you remember in tools set configuration weld seams we have written 2000, correct? Now it is considering the height as 2000, isn't it? Then 5 mm as the minimum thickness, what I have given. Corrosion allowance 3 mm. Material is let's say 51670 only. Correct? Even though pressure has not changed. These all options we are going to see. Don't bother about this. Whatever I am doing, you will all be doing this. So this is what the default options what we have talked about. Is it clear?